Hey guys, let's make the most epic vegan version of a classic Californian Green Goddess salad. In my version of Green Goddess dressing, I'm using aquafaba from the beans, which are also in the salad, to create a mayonnaise emulsion. I also add lots of miso and capers to create a delicious, umami-rich, savory flavor. This is an epic, delicious meal for four on a platter with zero cooking involved. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. It means the world. To make your salad, blend together your aquafaba, garlic, mustard, miso, and capers with lots of spinach and delicious herbs. Add a trickle of olive oil until the mixture emulsifies, then spike with vinegar and season to taste. Wow, look at all that green. This has to be the most nourishing salad ever. Now, to make the salad, prepare the kale by removing the stalks and finely chopping them. There's no need to waste them. As long as you chop them finely, they'll be perfectly edible and delicious. The leaves can be shredded. Next, finely chop your vegetables. I used courgette, pear, and fennel. Then add to your bowl with your beans and lots of dressing. Season to taste. Toss together and serve on a huge platter, topped with artichokes, pumpkin seeds, and sprouts.